Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to change your eBay name and make your profile new and fresh? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do so. Now, maybe some of you doesn't know how to do so in the first place, and they actually created a new account. Well, you don't really have to go all through that problems. All you need to do is few clicks that I'm going to show you right now. Click here on my eBay, and from that click on my accounts. As you can see here, you will be taken to another dashboard, so you can have this menu, and here you will find personal information. By going there, you will find this. If you were if you logged in with Google, you will get to have to log in again. And once you actually on the website, you will find all the personal informations that you will have to change. So here, let me just verify myself real quickly here. Let me just do the captcha, fly in. Alright, these captcha are becoming weird. And then a page will open. Normally it should open, but now it is not working for me. They are giving me this thing. Well, I think there will be something wrong with the servers. But anyway, this is how you can change your account name. So to change your name on my personal, on any personal eBay information, go to my eBay. You will find the icon at the top of the page as I have shown you. This one. Then once you get there, click on account as I have shown you, and then email contact info, then register name and address and make the appropriate changes. Although, to be honest, this is how it works very easily. This will work for you since you are based in Croatia. Yeah, this is like based on his experience. This is like community based, so he couldn't change it for some countries as mine. For example, here I can't change it since Morocco is not really accepted in eBay 100%. But yeah, if you're from Europe or US, then probably you'll get accepted. And yeah, that was it. See you guys in the next video.